Hello. My name is Teto Oletutuma, a parent, an artist, and a philanthropist. I'm so excited now that the rains are about to begin, and again to introduce to you this aspect of my work, which includes, sharing Maasai culture, appropriation, as well as creating content that, against the backdrop of the culture, and that not only kind of shares light about the culture itself, but also for posterity's sake, help us in the years to come to remember, what we were as a society. So why am I telling this? Again, we are back with that online class. We call it 30 Days Spoken Ma Culture and Language Orientation. This is 30 days that I take you through the whole aspects of the culture, from the migration of the Maasai into the East African savannah where they presently reside, in the